In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can claim rewards here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's actually two different ways to do this, and we're going to be going over both. The first way is by claiming them by selecting your profile icon up in the very top. If you go over to this achievements tab right here, you'll go ahead and be able to claim any rewards that you have unlocked from completing achievements. For example, you can go ahead and just click on it and it'll unlock the achievement points. And these are essentially just challenges that you've completed, such as logging in for a certain amount of days or reaching specific levels. You could just click each achievement individually, claim its reward, or you could just hit claim all down at the very bottom if you have multiple to claim, and it's going to collect everything at once. If you want to see what rewards you've earned or are working towards, just hit this gift icon just like so. And that's it. The second way to claim rewards is through your inbox. So just look up here and you're going to see a little inbox icon. Open this up, and then if you have any rewards in your inbox, you can go ahead and claim it. Now, sometimes Marvel Rivals does send you messages, surveys, or special rewards directly here. Open up any message, claim the reward inside, and then use claim all to collect everything at once. Those are the two ways to claim rewards here in Marvel Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.